I often have to book hotels for Jane last minute. This time around, I was quite lucky that there was still a room available. However, that's not always the case. Oftentimes, last-minute bookings mean last-minute pickings, if there are any rooms left at all. Sometimes there are only smoking rooms available. If this is the case, I might ask, "I'll take the smoking room, but could you please inform me if any other rooms become available? Is there a waiting list for non-smoking rooms if any cancellations occur? Would it be possible to clean this room to remove the odour of smoke?" But a smoking room is better than no room at all, something which I've also experienced. Should this happen, I ask, "Could you recommend any other hotels in the area? Is it possible to book us into different rooms for the individual days? Could you please take down my number and inform me if anything else becomes available?" Now and then, I find a hotel that is not equipped with an internet connection. Although this is getting rarer and rarer in the digital age, I do sometimes have to find alternative solutions. Are there any facilities in the area that offer a high-speed internet connection? Would it be possible to use the telephone for a dial-up connection? Do you have any partner hotels that would allow us to use their internet service? There are other services that Jane may like to use when travelling. Depending on the length and purpose of her stay, she might want to have the following. Is there a gym or fitness facilities on the premise? Miss Thompson will be renting a car at the airport. Does the hotel have a garage or a valet service? Miss Thompson would prefer to order room service at the end of a long day. Is this possible? Miss Thompson would like to host a conference. Do you have a conference room with audio-visual equipment? Would it be possible to have an early check-in? Miss Thompson will be arriving before check-in. Will you be able to hold her bags? Do you offer late checkout? Miss Thompson has a late flight. Could you hold her bags until after checkout? Whenever booking hotels, it's best to try and book as early as possible. The early bird gets the worm.